channel. In this channel, we'll teach you what are the new AI tools and how to use it. Top fifth extension. The top fifth one is ChatGPT for Google. It is nothing but your ChatGPT is integrated with your Google search engine. So what it will do, every time you search anything, it will directly link to your ChatGPT. So for that reason, you don't need to every time come here and search your problem or query here in the official ChatGPT. So let's first try our one of the things like write me a timetable for a gym. Okay, so let's check. Did it create or not? Okay, let's go down. Yes. So as you can see, waiting for ChatGPT response. Meanwhile, it's creating. Let's check. Uh, yeah, here you can see. So sure, here is the sample for title. As you can see, it is creating a timetable. It will be a quick, little bit. I don't know why it is taking too long time to write, but it is generally fast. Okay, and now you can write this one also, and one more was you can write coding, right? Like write a code for Fibonacci series using Java. Okay, let's check can it write or not. Yes, as you can see, it is writing in Java. And you can specifically implicitly mention here explicitly mention what language you want. Like if you want in Python, it can write in Python also. Okay, so here you can see, yes, here is the Python code. And once you go to your setting, you can change its options. Like it has three trigger mode. One is always, like every time you hit enter, it will prompt, it will trigger the mode. One is question mark for always. If you add a question mark at the end of the query, it will trigger. And third one is manual. Okay, and one more is use GPT-4. It is for only GPT plus users, so we don't need that. Okay, so this is the best for, like, it will save your time instead of going and typing here your query. So this is the chat GPT for Google. So this is the fourth extension, talk to ChatGPT. It is a very fun and a unique extension. Like you can talk to ChatGPT, ask a question by your voice instead of typing, and it will respond you back with its own voice. And you can change its voice also. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, the right top corner, there is a start button. When I start, I can directly ask question. Hello,
Hello. How can
okay.
I assist you today?
What are you? What can you do for me?
I can help you with a wide range of tasks
Okay,
and
okay. This is
provide
blah blah
information
blah
on
blah
various
blah.
topics.
You can directly
Here
click
are
this
some
icon
examples
to
of what
skip
I
all
can do for
this
you.
voice. Let me click this. Okay. When it is red color, it means we are talking. When it is in green color, now it means that it is responding back to you. Okay, so don't get confused by these colors. So once we click setting, as you can see here, you can change your speech
Thank you for
recognition, all
clarifying
that.
the colors. I
Okay,
apologize if there
let
was
me
any
cancel this,
confusion.
otherwise it will
I'm here
solve.
to assist you.
Okay, as you can see, when it red means you are talking all this, oh bhai, it will start talking. So this is talk to chat GPT. So the top third extension is reader GPT. Like it is a very much important, I think, like if there is an article which contains a large number of passages instead of bullet points, so you can use this extension and create your own bullet points, or it will create, mostly it will create the bullet points automatically based on your prompt. Let me show you an example of it. So let's go to here and let me type Mughal history. Let's see. Okay. Yes, this is Wikipedia page. And once you click on this reader chat GPT extension, now you can see it is summarizing with chat GPT. It will summarize the whole important key points into bullet points. As you can see, Mughal Empire is existed this whole page is summarized now. And you can add your own prompt, like based on how you want. Let me click on this add a prompt. So this is the current one. Summarize the following article in bullet point. Let me add one more details. Right, and make it in simple English. Okay, um, simple English. Add few more extra bullet points. Okay, let me add this prompt. Let me it's automatically selected. Okay, let me refresh this page. Let me go to this reader repeat extension. Okay. Yeah, now you can see it will be now it is changed, right? Now it will be very simple language, and you can select your prompt here. Like this one is the current one. Like I added it. So yes, you can shift here also. So this is the reader GPT, which is very best, I think. It will be more useful for the student for to understand the long passage in an easy manner. So yes, this is the reader GPT extension. So our top second extension is ChatGPT Writer. With this extension, you can write a mail messages using AI. Like if you want to compose a mail, generally go to compose, and as you can see there is a symbol of it here. Click on this and write a simple write a mail HR for a leave, and I will generate the email. Okay, so let's wait and see what it will write. It will take some time, then afterwards it will. Okay, as you can see it done, and click on this button. So whole mail format will be inserted in your text field. So just changed with your name and all this. That's all. It is very easy and quick. The ChatGPT writer, which will be very useful for your Gmail ID, and it is safe. You don't need to fear anything about your privacy. They mentioned like here it is a privacy friendly, so no need not to worry. So this is your ChatGPT writer. So top one extension is Merlin AI chatbot. It is the most powerful AI chatbot. I will say it is like a complete package. It has so many things in it, like you won't even imagine. Like as you can see, there are these are the 11 things you can do. I will say some of these, like it will take long to explain one by one. So yes, let's go with the first one. So it will like if you hit Control M now, it will automatically come. It is a shortcut for it. Okay, like it says here again, I will hit Control M, it will come. Okay, I have 31 queries left. By default, it will come, I think, 51. So yes, let's try. Write a mail for HR. Let's like this one. Okay, let's try. Will it write? I think yes, it's done. So it has so many things, like it is as a web chat with this website, and it is a doc chat. It can summarize your whole PDF into a specific points. Okay, and this is the access web. I like chat GPT is updated till 21, so with this you can access online also with current information, and chat GPT 4 which will take 10 queries per request, so use carefully. Okay, chat GPT 3, and let's go with one more one. Like if you click on YouTube, if you go a special video. Okay, let me go to Salar teaser. Let's think what we'll do. Yes, as you can see, summarize this video. Let me summarize. Yes, here you can see it summarizes the whole video. Okay, this is a thing it can do, and there are a lot of other things that you can check one by one, not a problem. uh, this is all. And what is the other thing key? It can translate the languages also, like Amazon. I will go to this site. As you can see, it is all in Hindi, right? I don't know. I will control M. Okay, let me select this all line. Let me copy, translate in English. It can translate in any language you want. No problem. It will do it on the spot. Like here you can see, let me click on English. Like there's a language setting, choose a before it is same to same. So yeah, there are a lot of other things you can do with this tool. It is the most overpowered, I think. Yeah, this is the top one. So these are the extension top five, I think, which is very useful for Chrome or any other browser. Yes, thank you for watching.